Tracking QR code scans can seem tricky, but in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to track those scans using Uniqode, plus share a few important things to know about its features and limitations. Stick around until the end, because we'll talk about some great alternatives that might be a better fit depending on what you're trying to accomplish. Let's dive right in. First off, Uniqode offers a fairly simple process to track QR code scans, but it can get confusing if you don't understand the platform setup. Once you've created your QR code, you need to set up a tracking link in Unicode's dashboard. This is where it starts to get interesting. Uniqode allows you to customize tracking with parameters like location, time, and device type. But here's the kicker, it doesn't offer a real-time update. So, while you can see data after a scan, you won't get immediate insights, which could be a deal breaker for fast decision-making. Next, if you want more granular data, Uniqode lets you integrate with analytics platforms, so you can pull in additional insights. This is useful, but it adds extra steps, and sometimes it doesn't sync smoothly, leading to delays or data discrepancies. So while Uniqode offers some good options, it's not the most intuitive if you're new to QR code tracking or analytics. The third thing to mention is their tracking limitations. Although Uniqode gives you the basics, such as scan count and geographic data, it doesn't track conversions directly, which can be a downside for marketers looking for more in-depth metrics. So, if you're planning to track sales or conversions that come from the QR scan, Uniqode might fall short. Then there's the setup process. Creating and customizing your QR code in Uniqode is relatively straightforward, but the tracking setup can get a little complicated if you're not familiar with URL parameters or analytics integrations. It's not a deal breaker, but it's definitely something to keep in mind. Next, let's talk about Unicode's pricing. The platform offers a free trial, but once that expires, it's relatively expensive compared to other QR code tracking software. For the price you pay, you might want to consider other tools that provide similar features with more flexibility, better integrations, or more advanced tracking. Now, let's wrap it up with a crucial tip. If you're looking for an alternative that's more user-friendly, more affordable, and offers better tracking features, I highly recommend checking out the software we've partnered with. We've got an exclusive link that gives you an extended free trial, and it's perfect for tracking QR code scans with all the data you really need, including conversion tracking. It integrates easily with your other marketing tools and doesn't require that complicated setup you'll find in Uniqode. The bottom line is, while Uniqode does a decent job with QR code tracking, there are better options available. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best possible trial, and trust me, this will help you make the most of your QR code marketing efforts. Don't miss out.